Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to make these beautiful party favours. We have a chocolate inside, we have a ribbon and a flower. These ones are for a baby girl. This is my baby girl. Say hello, Lily. So what we're going to need is 3 different colours of tissue wrap or crepe paper. That's the first thing we need for these beautiful flowers. Some loop bags. Very importantly, the glasses. We have some tumblers here. I guess you could use any kind of glass you like. We have ribbon. This is 15mm by 3m wrapping craft ribbon. We have some little elastic hair ties, a 6-pack of party wands, some beautiful stick-on gems, hot glue gun and sticks, some scissors, and some delicious chocolate. And also let's not forget our It's a Girl tags. Back in a moment. First thing we're going to do is cut out our circles for the flowers. So we're going to go 11 centimetres. Half of that is 5.5. Five and a half up, around about there. Join those together, and we have near enough to a semicircle. The next circle will be 10. 5. 5. 5. And now 9. Four and a half. 4.5. 4.5. Does not have to be perfect. Okay, so we've got our 3 lots of semicircles cut out. Now, I've actually got a mix here. You can use crepe paper, which is this one. Mostly because I didn't look hard enough when I bought them, but either works. This is crepe paper and this is tissue paper. I actually like tissue paper better. I think it makes it a prettier flower, but either works really well. Okay, so once we've got that, keep it all together and just cut a rough flower shape into it. Like so. My wonderful son Taryn doing the lovely camera work for us. Say hi, Taryn.
Hey.
Okay, you get the idea. I think we'll speed through this bit. Okay, those are done now. We have 1, 2, 3 sets.
Can I try to get the password?
Now to get them to look like a flower, I like to put my finger in the middle and use 3 or 4 fingers to scrunch it up like that. And that way you're not getting an even fold. Flowers in nature aren't perfect, neither should yours be. If you try and do it on a fold, you're going to end up with something more like that, and it's not going to be as organic, and therefore not as pretty. Yes. We need 3 petals per flower. 3 petals per colour per flower. So go 1, 2. Again, no need to be too fussy. Scrunch, scrunch. One. 2, 3, and last one. A little twist on the end, so stay there. Two. 3. Okay, so I have made 9 petals, 3 of each colour for the flower. I'm going to take 2 of the pink, of the light pink, teeny weeny dab in there just to hold them together. that on there. And then a little blob. Good amount so it's going to hold. Pop your little swizzle stick wand on there and hot. Pinch it on. And hold on to that and press it down the other way. And then we set that aside to set. Okay, so we've got our flower bases made and on these little swizzle sticks. Very pretty. Everything's nice and cool and secured. So now we're going to take 3 of our large pale pink sets and just squeeze some glue on here. Careful, it is hot glue. Go 1, 2, 3. Nice and tight in there. Okay. And we've got our medium size petals. One, 2, 3.
Yeah, I'm not the person you need.
1, 2, 3. And finally, the smallest dark pink in the middle. Hello?
Hey.
2, there's my husband home from work. 3. There's our beautiful finished flower. Okay, so now we're going to decorate the glass. Measure around there. Cut with a little bit to spare. Make it straight and tiny bit of glue is enough. Now, point of interest, even though this glass looks like it's the same top and bottom, it is not. It's wider at the top, so don't just measure one end and cut your ribbon, just in case. Go. Now also make sure that you've got your seam at the same side. There we go. Pop in our little sweet. And it always does that. That'll be right. Yay! Now these gems come as joined little rows. If you wanted to, you could just stick the rows around, but just to be difficult, I want to have one gem above each heart. So I'm going to cut up here to separate the gems from each other. That just breaks the little bit that joins them together. And now these are just self-adhesive, so we don't have to worry about gluing anywhere. All done. Very pretty. In a little baggie. Yeah, where did I put my little things? I did get some out, but I'm going to have to get some more. Little elastic. Once through there, get a flower, and there you go. And last but not least, and their little tags. They're so pretty, aren't they? So I like to hang about there, so I'm just going to tie a little once through knot like that. Onto there, which makes assembly so quick and easy, and you can write your little thank you message on the back of the card. All done. Aren't they pretty? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.